Hi guys, the video is essentially about Calamares and essentially about the world. What do I mean? A machine is not alone, it receives updates. And this morning I saw an update coming in. So RIP is one of our aliases, recent installed packages, or rest in peace, whatever you want. But in here somewhere you'll find boost. And boost is one of those packages that we need to build ArcoLinux Calamares. Well, no, Calamares in short, not ArcoLinux Calamares, but any Calamares. So here it is. boost-libs was installed today, 2 hours ago on my machine. Then you boot up and then you build your system. And then you say, why is Calamares not working? Because Calamares is at that point working has an older version, and this one has a new version. And it happens with other packages as well. So if the critical packages that Calamares depends upon have been changed, you need to change with them. And in Calamares, in ArcoLinux, we do that for you, right? ArcoLinux Calamares will just say, it's been rebuilt, go have fun and build ISOs again. But in Carli, you're supposed to do it on your own. In ALCI, you're supposed to do it on your own. You are then the creator, the developer of a distro, or you just want to build your own Arch Linux with Calamares on it. That's this project, right? But either way, it's up to you, not up to us, to anyone, to build again the Calamares. As simple as that, right? So I've downloaded the message we got here. That's the message you see, and then you say I've done something wrong, and you go dig into the configuration of the users module, and there is nothing wrong with the configuration. All you need to do is run the Calamares building script. That's it. Okay, so we're talking about boost, but it can be any of those other packages. Let's have a look at maybe ALCI as first one, right? If we want to build our repos here, ALCI repo, there is a Calamares in there, and suddenly when you build again the ALCI Calamares, so the application, not the configuration, that's the configuration, the application is an old one. How old is he? From 0330, we're now only, right, 18 days along, but it's built on an old boost. And now there's a new boost, and it just doesn't work anymore. Why? Rebuild the package. So we go to our rebuilding thing, our ALCI package build. We have here ALCI Calamares configuration. No, nothing changes there. PTRFS. Here is a configuration again, another configuration. So where's my Calamares? Here. Here's your Calamares. And there is an ALCI Calamares and one for dev. If you want to know the difference, you just go for melt. Is there a difference? Oops. Is there a difference? All numbers. And all it is dev. The letters. 4 things here. -dev is the only difference. Okay, cool. So now what? Let's first build ALCI Calamares, which is the default. Then we go for the numbering system. Maybe we should go and have a look at the package build, right? Is boost in there? Yes, he is. boost-libs is here. And other packages as well. So should we update them? We shouldn't do anything here. We should just change the number. 2. Save. Run it. How do we build again? ArcoLinux, I have scripts. Here I just say make the package. And it's going to find a package build, and it says, oh look, a package build, let's build the package. That's it. Later on I'll have a package. Where am I going to put it? On the repo. Put it online. Done. It's fixed. ALCI. Here you are. The repo is here. This one. I always like to do it like this. So you see config, 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 def. So this one needs to go, that one needs to go. And in a few moments we'll have a new one. In the meantime, I can do my work to change. Well, actually did a kind of mistake. That's okay. It's not that bad. But let me show you how it should be really done. Control C, Control V. That's how I should do it, or would do it. And then up here, you say number 2. First folder, then inside the package build. So it's consistent, right? That's all it is. I can still do that later. So I'm ready to build this one. I'm making the preparations for my next build, the def. The only difference, just want to show you again, is a number. You will find a new version of boost-libs and it will build the Calamares against that new version. That's all you need to do. Let's go up, in here. I guess in here. Now we got this one. Boom, that's it. We delete this, delete this, delete this. Now I'm gonna make a nice copy. You can work already. So we're building the def version. So what had to be done was a Control C and a Control V. This should be called number 2. And this package build, it's pretty much number 1. And the other one, the folder now say the same reference as what's in here. That's how it should be for later on. So you still know what you did a month later. And that's it. We'll push it online and Calamares will again work if you start building. But the thing is, in Carli and in ALCI, we want you to be totally independent. If you did what I do now and not put it on ALCI repo, because you can't touch it, it's ours, you can't put anything on there. What if you put it on the ALCI local repo, add it to this one? Here at the moment there is Nemesis wallpapers, at the moment. But you can add your own Calamares, your own configuration, Android Studio, Steam, I don't know what you want to have. You can put it on your local machine. You don't have to put it on GitHub. You can put it on GitHub, which is easy, but it's internet traffic, right? So you can keep it just local and build a repo locally. That's all explained on alci.online. I don't think it's in Carli local, but it's online anyway. So almost there. I need to go back to my ALCI, to my repo, to this one. We have this one already. Now the def will be created. There you are, ALCI Calamares def. Let's see where I am. One level up, def. And structure, there has to be structure, has to be, otherwise you keep on looking in the wrong files and folders and all that. Voila, done. Now I push this to the internet and everybody has the Calamares file. But you can build it yourself just like I did now. Put it in the local repo and you have it. Be independent of anybody. That's my goal. I hope that's yours too. Well, let me put in this username and log and password and you'll have it too, and finish the video here. All right, bye.